yeah, we pay.
Yeah, we pay.
I'ma turn it up a little more.
YouTube, what is good? What is going on? It's your boy from Everyday Trip, and I'm back with another one. It's a little bit different today. It's a full video. It's a Taco Bell chicken wings, actually. It's a limited time, so I thought it'd be cool to show y'all how they come out, how they taste, all that cool stuff while they're here, only a limited time. So without further ado, man, let's get straight into it. Be right back.
Had to fill her up real quick. On the way to Taco Bell. Let's go. Hello, can I get 2 orders of the crispy chicken wings?
Okay.
Could I also get the Island Wild Strawberry Freeze?
What size would you like it?
Can I get a large?
Large island strawberry freeze.
Correct. And the chicken wings come with ranch, correct?
Yes, ranch dipping.
Alright, that should be it.
And did you want any mild hot fire diablo sauce?
What was that?
Did you want any sauce other than the ranch?
No thank you, I'll be good.
No problem. So it's going to be $18.63 at the window.
Alright, thank you so much.
$18.63.
Thank you. Thank you.
Chris.
All right, and here we are, back with the goodies. Might have left my freeze in the car, but it's no big deal. I'm just gonna dive straight into it. Alright, so it looks like there's 5 wings in here. Just gonna dive straight in. You know, not too bad. Very similar to the chicken wings that were at McDonald's. I think it needs to be warmed up a little bit. Very crispy though. Very crispy, I like that. For Taco Bell, not bad at all. Especially without any sauce. Alright, so I think I'm gonna warm these up a little bit and get some sauce on there, and then we'll be right back. Alright, we have our Taco Bell chicken wings warmed up. We have the Taco Bell ranch sauce. And we also have one of the new freezes from Taco Bell. I haven't tried this one, so we're just gonna dive in. Got the wings warm, the ranch, the new freeze. It's looking pretty good here. Let's see what we got with this freeze going on. Ooh, that's yummy. It tastes like sort of like a Sour Patch freeze, if I will. Very good, I like that. Let's try another wing. Let's try it with the ranch sauce. I don't know if I'd call that ranch sauce. It doesn't taste too much like ranch. Not too bad. Let's try one more time. You know, it doesn't taste like ranch, but it is pretty good. For the price of $5.99 for 5 wings, pretty good, especially for Taco Bell. Not too bad. For a rating, I think I'd give it about honestly a 7 out of 10. It is a little bit better with the sauce that they have, that they call ranch. I wouldn't call it ranch at all, but not too bad nonetheless. Wash it down with some of the freeze. Yeah, that freeze is something else. Extremely yummy. I'm gonna dip it one more time. You know, this ranch sauce, I believe it's a hit or a miss. Sometimes it'll complement the wing, and sometimes it could just be me, could just be subjective, but sometimes it tastes off, and sometimes it actually hits the spot. I think most of you would like this 5 chicken order without the ranch. I believe it is an acquired taste, nonetheless. For Taco Bell, it's very good. Only a couple days left at Taco Bell. It's going to be discontinued from Taco Bell on January 12th. Not too bad, not too bad. This will be the first food meet on Everyday Trip, and there will be more. As of 2022, we're going to expand a little bit more, do some more stuff. Please leave a like if you have enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. Hope you guys liked it. Go get these. Last day is January 12th. And that's going to be it for me, man. Have a good one, you guys. Later. Peace.